The SKIL 2.8 amp 9-inch 2-speed benchtop band saw proves to be a powerful and versatile tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the robust 2.8 amp induction motor, allowing users to effortlessly rip through various wood materials. The 2-speed drive system is a noteworthy addition, offering tool-free belt tensioning for efficient operation. One of the key advantages of this band saw is the quick blade tension setting, enabling users to achieve clean cuts with precision. The inclusion of precision ball bearing and lower blade guides ensures consistent tracking, contributing to accurate cutting performance. The rack and pinion table adjustment feature facilitates swift angle adjustments, enhancing the saw's flexibility. An essential consideration for any woodshop tool is its ability to maintain a clean work area. The SKIL band saw addresses this concern with a dust port that accommodates standard 2 1/2 inch vacuum hoses, minimizing dust accumulation during operation. Additionally, the miter gauge provides guidance for making crosscuts, adding to the overall usability of the tool. While the majority of users commend the SKIL band saw's build quality and ease of assembly, there are reports of a safety concern. Some users noted a warped base plate, causing the saw to wobble during cutting. Despite this issue, users found creative solutions such as using shims to correct the wobble and bolting the saw down for added stability. It's essential for potential buyers to be aware of this potential safety issue and assess whether it can be mitigated or if a return is necessary. The band saw's performance on wood thicknesses exceeding 1 1/2 inch receives mixed feedback. Some users mention occasional challenges, such as the band jumping off and requiring repositioning. However, the general consensus is that the saw delivers smooth cuts for the intended applications. Despite some user-specific challenges, the SKIL 2.8 amp 9-inch 2-speed benchtop band saw receives positive feedback overall. Its portability and convenience make it a valuable tool for users with space constraints, as evidenced by the positive experience shared by a user remodeling a house. Ultimately, the saw proves to be a reliable addition to the workshop, offering versatility and performance for various woodworking tasks.